To remove the kickstand, there are 4 screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. They all require a 4mm hex bit. With all 4 screws removed, you'll be able to extract the kickstand and the outer mudguard. To remove the outer mudguard, it is held on by 4 Phillips screws. And with that, you can replace the outer mudguard. To install the outer mudguard, you want to place it down and grab your 4 Phillips screws. Now with these screws, when tightening them, do not over tighten as it is being threaded into the plastic. Now to install the kickstand, you see these ledges here, the kickstand at the bottom, there's this notch and it will sit right on that ledge. Now you'll want to secure the top screws first and then secure the bottoms.